Hello everyone, myself Suhas Madhav Patil, working as an assistant professor in electrical engineering department of Nanasari Institute of Engineering and Technology, Satara. As a part of the International FDP on the Environmental and Sustainability organized by the D.Y. Patil College of Engineering, Akurdi, today's task is the specific environmental awareness video. For that, I select topic e-waste. All of you know that we are familiar with the different electronic gadgets such as mobile phones, PCs, TVs, and these electronic gadgets may be converted into the tomorrow's e-waste. Yes, today's electronic gadgets may be converted into the tomorrow's electronic waste. Now, what is this electronic waste? This electronic waste or the e-waste is a waste consisting of any unwanted or unusable electrical or electronic appliances. Now, what are the different sources of this electronic e-waste or simply e-waste? Now, these are the electronic gadgets used in the home, hospitals, governments or the private sectors, and these are the some examples of the electronic gadgets used in the homes like a PC, television, radio, cell phones, washing machines, or in regarding the hospitals it is the ECG machines, microphones. In the government sector, fax machine, Xerox machine, scanners like that. And in the private sectors, it is the boiler, mixer, signal generators or incubators. Now, what are the categories of the e-waste? Depending upon the home appliances, that is a large household appliances, small household appliances, there are the different equipments, lighting equipments, toys and sport equipments, medical devices. These are the different categories of the e-waste. Now, how these electronic gadgets can be converted into the e-waste? There are the different reasons. Now, what are the first reason is the advancement in the technology. Second one is the change in the lifestyle, fashion and the status. In the human life in day-to-day life is a change the style, fashion and the status. That's why it is need to change the electronic gadgets after the few days or the few years. And whatever the nearing the end of their useful life, and human cannot take any precautions while they handling the electronic gadgets. The most problem and the challenging of the e-waste is the disposal of the e-waste. Disposal allows heavy metals to the leach into the groundwater. It causes the water and the soil contamination. Then it cannot be handled properly because of the untrained and uneducated safe handling of the electronic waste, and there is no environmental protection laws in our country. Now, there is the effect of the e-waste on the human health. Yes, there is the effect of the e-waste on the human health. That is it will be the problem related to the nerve system, blood system and the kidney damage. It may be the affect the brain development of the children. After that, it will be the also effect on the reproductive and the development problems of the human. It not only the effect of the human health, but it is also effect on the environment, and mostly effect is the pollution, that is the pollution, water pollution as well as the air pollution. Now, to avoid this e-waste and avoid the problem of the environmental and the human health, it is required to manage the e-waste management. Now, there are the different steps for the e-waste management. First step is the use 3R technique to minimize the e-waste. That is 3R nothing but reduce, reuse and recycle. Second step is to identify the e-waste category item. According to that, it is the household appliances, medical appliances, equipment, sports or toy equipments, medical appliances like that. Third step is to identify e-waste composition or determine it. Fourth step is to identify possible hazards contained in the e-waste. It is the hazards to the human life or it is hazards to the environment. After that, fifth step is to identify whether the e-waste component is hazard or the entire e-waste atom is hazards. According to that, we can manage the e-waste. Now, here is the conclusion. To avoid the effect of e-waste on the human life as well as the environment, we can reduce the use of the electronic gadget, it can be reused, it can be recycled, and it can be recovered, and ultimately it is the save the environment. Thank you very much.